Greeting. This is Markbone. We're going to be looking at how we can put some style to our text in PowerPoint. Yes, put it in a different style that it can actually look a bit attractive. Right, I'm going to be guiding you through this particular process. Right, so the first thing that we wanted to do, definitely want to bring up a PowerPoint presentation. We're going to click in the taskbar here, and we're going to click on the blank. Right, so notice I'm just going to type an example here. I'm just going to put format in here as an example. Then I'm going to insert a next slide right here. Right, by clicking it and I press enter. Right, so if I type this particular word, I'm going to type some word randomly here, and then I'm going to press enter. Here, I'm going to press enter again. Then I'm going to press enter again. Then I'm going to press enter again. Right. So now we have these fancy, these number here. So we're going to block them completely. So while block them, now we're going to right click on them. So when you right click on them, we come all the way here, we're going to convert to SmartArt. So if I come over here, you notice each one I put it on so far, you notice, looking so far, it's actually changing just like that. Put it right there. Can actually put it here. Notice I put it right there, show over so that I can actually make some adjustment. I can come right here and close it. But notice it show me right inside here. If I come right up top here and click on Smart, I can come right here and actually can change the color. You notice I can actually change the color like that. Just the same, I can come right to this pointer here. I can give it a nice style. Each time I put the cursor point, you notice it actually shifting. Notice. But if I don't want that favor, I can come right here. Right, and if I click right here, I can actually change back that particular color there. If you notice right there, right, I can come back again. So I change the color, right? And if that one don't suit you, you can come right here. Just look up pointer here and try all of them. Notice, very important here. I notice you can have more layout right here. So since I show you more layout right here, you can actually come here for more layout. Here, you can click on cylinder here. Then click on that over here, just click on OK. You notice it actually changed right here. So if I go back up here, right, you notice you can change it in that particular format. You can also change it in that format. If you come right here, you notice, if you come here, you can actually change it in that format. So if I come here, I can actually come right here and change the color again. Right. Change the color right here. You notice the color change. So go back and get a different color. Alright, so this is the next color. So I can come right at this little pointer here and I can give it a different shape. Just like that. I can give it a different shape each one time I put on it. And all of that. So if you notice how this one look right here. Alright. I'm gonna put a different slide. Right, I'm gonna put something else here. Right. And see exactly what you can do this time. Right, very important. Then we're gonna block it. So while you're gonna block it, we're gonna right click again. Now we're gonna come here to convert. Right. So we're gonna take time and go down again. Alright, so if I click on this one, you notice actually have it out here. If I click up here, format, I can actually change the color of the words and all that. I want to click on this one. Here, you notice I have this one that I can actually switch it to. Here, you can actually come right here and change it. So if I click on that one, notice it change right there. So that single one. So if I come and put it here, notice you're going right back to the original one. So if you notice this one, see right in the blue, and put it right there, you can actually have this one right there. Then you can actually give it a color, just like that. You can change it to different version of the color you want. Right. So when you give that a color now, you can actually come here, you can actually change it to what you want, put it exactly to exactly where you want it. So if you notice so far, actually I close that. Alright, suppose you don't know to make a mistake. I want to change this to capital, right? Just click right here. When you click, if you notice you go pointer here, you notice become an, just click, and then you come over here, and then you click there, and you can actually add the capital right there. When done, you come right there and close it. You notice it change? Yes, it's very important. So all of that I can actually do inside here, right? So it's very important. Alright, so I hope you have learned something from this particular video here.